water. You see there's a bunch of dirt and pieces of wood in the bottom of the pot. No matter how clean the snow looks, there's always stuff in it. It's harmless, but you know, you don't want to drink it. I'm gonna probably have to do this 4 times tonight. I need a lot of water. My inReach keeps beeping at me, saying low temperature warning. Okay, we're gonna put it in my pocket. Feels like it's getting below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. All my batteries and lights and everything will start getting really affected by the cold. That's a decent pile of wood. That's a good start.